Hi, class 9. Subject Science, Unit 10, Solubility, Gule Matra, class 9. Chemistry. Question number 1. Define with examples the following terms. A. Mixture. B. Solution. C. Solubility. D. Solubility curve. E. Crystallization. Number A. Mixture. Nepali Mishran. A mixture is an impure substance formed by mixing two or more things at any ratio or proportion. दुई वा दुईभन्दा बढी चिजलाई मिसाएमा मिश्रण बन्छ. There are two types of mixtures. Homogeneous mixture समान मिश्रण, heterogeneous mixture असमान मिश्रण. Homogeneous chemical composition same, the dissolved particles cannot be seen. Example: tea, coffee, salt solution, sugar solution, medicine, etc. Heterogeneous mixture. It is the mixture in which the dissolved particles can be seen properly and the chemical composition is not the same. Example: sand and water, momo and soup. The same way, iron plus salt. Number B. Solution. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances, generally solid and liquid, but sometimes solid, sometimes solid liquid gas, sometimes gas, sometimes solid and solid, sometimes liquid and liquid, etc. Example: salt solution, sugar solution, tea, coffee, etc. Number C. Solubility. The solubility of a substance is the weight in grams which dissolves in 100 grams of a given solvent at a given temperature to make a saturated solution. The solubility of a substance is the weight in grams which dissolves in 100 grams of a given solvent at a given temperature to make a saturated solution. अर्थात् 100 ग्राम सल्भेन्टमा जति ग्राम डिजल्भ भएर कुनै टेम्परेचरमा स्याचुरेटेड सोल्युसन बन्छ त्यो वेटलाई नि त्यो सब्सटेन्सको सोलबिलिटी भनिन्छ. डी. Solubility curve. The graphical representation of the solubility of different substances at different temperatures is called the solubility curve. It is very important for chemists. E. Crystallization. मतलब क्रिस्टल बनाउने तरिका. It is the process of getting a crystal first by heating a saturated solution and then cooling it later. Here solution means saturated solution. Question number 2. Write two advantages of the solubility curve. What is meant by that? The solubility of a substance at 35 degrees centigrade is 40. Answer. Some advantages of the solubility curve are as follows. Number 1. We can compare and contrast solubility of different substances at different temperatures because solubility is directly proportional to temperature. When temperature increases, solubility generally increases. When temperature decreases, solubility generally decreases. The same substance has different solubility at different temperatures, and at the same temperature different substances have different solubility. अर्थात् एउटै सब्सटेन्स लिने टेम्परेचर फरक भएमा सोलबिलिटी पनि फरक हुन्छ. अब धेरैवटा सब्सटेन्स लिने हो भने सेम टेम्परेचरमा पनि डिफ्रेन्ट सब्सटेन्सको सोलबिलिटी डिफ्रेन्ट हुन्छ. अर्थात् सोलबिलिटी डिपेन्ड्स अपन टेम्परेचर. Number 2, it indicates or shows the temperature at which the given solution gives out crystals. गिवन सोल्युसनले कुन बेला दाना दिन्छ, कुन टेम्परेचरमा दाना दिन्छ भन्ने कुरा थाहा लाग्छ। Solubility 40 at 35 degree Celsius. What do you mean by this? 35 मा solubility 40 छ भन्नाले 40 मा 40 ग्राम लेख्ने र 100 ग्राम गिभन सल्भेन्ट लेख्ने र टु मेक अ स्याचुरेटेड सोल्युसन भन्ने कुरा थाहा पाउनु पर्यो। Solubility 40 at 35 degree Celsius. It means that 40 grams of the substance dissolves in 100 gram of a given solvent to make a saturated solution at 35 degrees Celsius given temperature. Question number 2. Classify solutions. Write 2 effects of heat on different solutions. We can classify, mean there are different types of solutions. 2 types of solutions, dilute and concentrated. 3 types of solutions, unsaturated, saturated and supersaturated. But on the basis of concentration, there are 2 types of solutions. They are dilute solution having relatively less amount of solute, concentrated solution having relatively more amount of solute at a given solution. On the basis of saturation, there are 3 types of solutions. Unsaturated solution means it can dissolve some more solute at a given temperature. Saturated solution, it cannot dissolve any more solute. Supersaturated solution, it can dissolve much more amount of solute. Question number 3. Effects of heat on different solutions are as follows. Number I. On heating, a saturated solution becomes unsaturated. Saturated solutionलाई तताउनाले unsaturated बन्छ. The reason, both solid and liquid expand, but liquid expands more than solid. Solid भन्दा liquid बढी expansion हुन्छ, तताउनाले लिक्विड को भोल्युम बढी हुन्छ अनि त्यसले बढी मात्रामा सोल्युट डिजल्भ गर्न सक्छ. Means saturated solution becomes unsaturated. It has more dissolving capacity. Number 2. On cooling, a supersaturated solution gives out crystals. Supersaturated solution बनाइसकेर त्यसलाई चिसाउनाले क्रिस्टल दाना बन्छ. यो दुईटा यसको एडभान्टेज. Question number 4. Write some practical applications or advantages or uses of mixers or solutions in our daily life or in industries, factories or for chemicals. Some practical applications of mixers or solutions are as follows. Number I. Construction of buildings, bridges, roads by mixing cement, water, gravel, sand, etc. अर्थात् सिमेन्ट, वाटर, ग्राभल र स्यान्डलाई मिसाएर बिल्डिङ, ब्रिज, रोड बनाउन सकिन्छ. यो मिक्सर भयो. यसको वान चाहिँ मिक्सर भयो. मेकिङ फुड, टी, कफी, लस्सी एटसेट्रा. खाना बनाउने, चिया, कफी बनाउने पनि मिक्सिङ हो, मिक्सर. Number 3. Making food by green plants in the form of solutions. Green plants make food in the form of solutions. Number 4. Making alloys, medicines. They are also homogeneous mixers. Number 5. Digestion and absorption of food in blood. Food in blood to get energy. खाना डाइजेस्ट हुन्छ, एब्जर्प्सन हुन्छ ब्लडमा, त्यो पनि सोल्युसनको रूपमा हुन्छ.